Hola clase, ¿cómo están? Excelente. And welcome back to Learning with Senor Cow Cow. So, today a few things to get started. There were no comments on the last YouTube video, which you know what that means. I get the Cowie Award. All right, a couple quick updates. You've probably heard by now they had a big old school board meeting that they streamed, and a number of things came out. Number one, there will be no final exams. Number two, if you are in good shape, uh, school will end for you on May 8th. Now, as far as what exactly that means, I don't know if that means passing. I don't know if it means you have an 80. I don't know. But I will know after a faculty meeting tomorrow. Second thing, a lot of people have been asking about making up a test grade, how to bring your grade up. As far as online testing assessment options, I will be able to tell you that answer tomorrow after our faculty meeting because I don't have the answer and no one does. So just kind of stay tuned for that. Okay? So those are the main things to announce. All right, let's go ahead and let me see to make sure I'm not skipping anything. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you your warm up for today. All right, here is today's warm up. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so what the assignment that I'm going to give you today is an online quiz if you haven't already taken it. It doesn't count. It's just kind of a practice thing. We'll get to that later, but this is the format of it, okay? So using your verbs, and there are only 9 verbs that we're dealing with, answer these questions. And remember to conjugate your verb. So go ahead, sac en papel, and pause the video now. Okay. Now, just like on the practice quiz that you're going to take online, there are a number of answers that will be accepted. But not all of them, but like, for example, number 1, yo blank mi mochila a la escuela. The only thing that would really work would be traigo. I bring my backpack to the school, okay? The important part here is that a la escuela means to the school, okay? It doesn't mean at school, it doesn't mean in school, it says to the school. I bring my backpack to the school. Okay, now this one could be one of two things. It could be nosotros salimos de la casa a las 8, which would be the best answer. We leave the house at 8 o'clock. And if you said venimos, it means we come from the house at 8 o'clock. It's not as good, but it still kind of works. Okay, this one is ellos dicen hola. They say hello. And last one, yo blank dinero a la iglesia. You could say yo doy, I give money to the church. Yo traigo, I bring money to the church. Okay, again, if it makes sense, it will be programmed into the answers that it will accept. All right, now to review, I'm going to go to your Quizlet that you have. Okay, so let's look at your verbs first of all. Shoot, hold on, this thing is getting all screwy. All right, to have, you tell me, is tener. To say or tell, decir. To leave or go out, salir. To come, venir. To put, poner. To bring, traer. To make or do, hacer. To give, dar. And to see, ver. All right. And each one of these has a particular way it behaves. Like this one is kind of a stem changer. It goes, I have is tengo. He has tiene. We have tenemos. And so on. It's got all of your verbs here where you can practice them in different conjugations. I will tell you for sure that whether it's a quiz grade or test grade, I am going to give you an assessment like the one that you're taking today. Okay, and it will count. So my advice is go through your 9 verbs, learn how to say them in Spanish and how they behave, okay? If you don't spend time with this stuff, you can't get it, and that's a very important part about learning a language. All right, next, I'm going to do 2 more things with you. Number 1, I'm going to practice this with you. Okay. Okay. So here we have someone doing homework. All right. So since the verb to do is hacer, you tell me. Yo hago la tarea. Pedro hace la tarea. This one we didn't go over. We'll do that in Spanish too. All right, this one is about saying hello. All right, so this is yo digo hola. Señor Cowart dice hola. I say hello. He says hello. Remember, if you're not strong on these, study, spend time, do Quizlet, do what you got to do, make sentences. Again, that's something we'll get to later. All right, this one is about seeing. I see the fish, they see the fish. So it is yo veo los peces, ellas ven los peces. Okay, this is about putting money in the jar. Yo pongo dinero en la jarra. Nosotros ponemos dinero en la jarra. All right, this is about leaving. Yo salgo a las 5. Juan sale a las 5. All right, this is about giving. I give. Yo doy. Mi tía da una flor. Okay? So just to think ahead, on the quiz, the one today, you have 2 minutes per question. The real one is going to be more like 1 minute. Okay? So you got to know what it says. You got to know which one to use. You got to take it at one time. Okay, so that is it for our practice today. So just to go ahead and tell you, the way to take today's practice quiz is go on Google Classroom, and it is assigned. It's called Yogo Practice Quiz. Okay, so go take that. It will send me the grade that you got on it. Again, it doesn't count. It's just practice. I just want to see. I was testing out how to use it. I want to see how well you guys do on it. So do that. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Adios.